Welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most effective and accessible tools available to modern private investigators, social media. With billions of people sharing details about their lives online, social media has become a goldmine of information, providing insights that can be crucial in investigative work. In this video, we'll explore the essential techniques and ethical considerations for using social media in your investigations. By the end, you'll understand how to gather valuable information while respecting privacy laws and ethical standards. So, let's jump right in and start building your social media investigation toolkit. Let's begin by understanding why social media is such a powerful tool for private investigators. Today, people share their lives online in ways they wouldn't have even a decade ago. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter allow individuals to share personal information publicly and sometimes unknowingly, giving private investigators a window into their lives. Posts can reveal locations, recent activities, relationships, employment history, and even behavioral patterns. Social media provides two major types of insights: direct and indirect information. Direct information includes things like posts, tagged locations, shared photos, and public events that tell you about where a person has been, what they're up to, and who they're connected with. For instance, an Instagram post might show that the subject recently traveled to a specific location, while a Facebook event might confirm that they attended a social gathering. Then there's indirect information, which comes from connections and behaviors. You can learn a lot by analyzing who someone interacts with, who tags them in posts, and the types of groups they belong to. For instance, if someone has a private account but their close friends or family members have public accounts, you may be able to gather relevant clues from their connections. So, as an investigator, understanding how to interpret this information can be just as valuable as the information itself. To make the most of social media, you need a solid strategy. Start by identifying which platforms are most likely to yield the information you need. Each social media platform has its strengths based on the type of case you're handling. For example, Facebook is one of the most robust platforms for exploring personal connections, recent activities, and family relationships. Many users post life events, check-ins, and photos, which can give a well-rounded view of their personal life. Instagram is visually oriented, which makes it perfect for identifying locations, lifestyle choices, and social circles. People often tag their location in photos, giving you real-time information on their movements. LinkedIn is more formal and often limited to professional information. This is ideal for confirming employment history, professional networks, and sometimes even real-time updates on job changes or promotions. Twitter offers insights into someone's thoughts, interests, and immediate activities. Tweets can reveal a lot about an individual's daily routine, and when taken together with posts from other platforms, can help build a comprehensive profile. Once you've chosen your platforms, it's time to build a digital profile. Document as much as possible: usernames, profile pictures, job titles, recent check-ins, tagged locations, and key relationships. This is essentially creating a profile map that helps you connect the dots. Every detail counts, as even small pieces of information can lead to breakthroughs in your investigation. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process of investigating someone's social media presence. The first step is learning how to search effectively. Social media platforms, especially Facebook and Twitter, have advanced search features that let you filter posts by date, location, hashtags, keywords, and even specific users. For instance, if you know the individual attended an event at a certain time, you can use these filters to locate posts related to that event, which might reveal further details. It's also important to explore tagged photos and locations. Even if an individual has strict privacy settings, they may appear in posts made by friends or family members with more public profiles. This can lead to discoveries about their location, recent activities, or the people they're associating with. Additionally, consider monitoring online activity over time. You're not always going to find everything you need in one session. Social media patterns reveal themselves best over days or even weeks. Observing when the person is active, the types of events they attend, and the people they regularly interact with can give a more comprehensive view of their behavior and whereabouts. In some cases, you might need to gather information indirectly by investigating the social media profiles of the person's friends, family, or colleagues. Cross-referencing details between these connections can be surprisingly effective. For example, if the person you're investigating has a private profile, but their friend's account is public, you might find tagged photos, mentions, or even casual updates that give you the information you need. Additionally, cross-platform searching can deepen your findings. If you find a check-in location on Instagram, cross-check that location on Facebook to see if they or anyone else tagged them there recently. You might also find comments or interactions that support or clarify what you found initially. Cross-referencing allows you to build a stronger, more reliable profile, ensuring you're not relying on a single source or platform for information. Using social media as a private investigator requires a strict adherence to ethical and legal standards. While social media gives you access to a lot of information, not everything is fair game. Here are some key considerations. Respect privacy settings. If a person has chosen to keep their account private, do not try to bypass these settings or use unauthorized methods to access their information. Focus on public content or information shared by their network. Avoid creating fake profiles. Some investigators might think creating a fake profile to access restricted information is a quick workaround, but it's both illegal and highly unethical. Authenticity and honesty in your work are essential, and creating fake profiles can lead to serious legal repercussions. Document transparently. Be diligent in documenting every detail you gather, including timestamps, sources, and URLs. This creates a transparent record of your investigation and makes sure that any evidence you present holds up to scrutiny in a legal context. It also protects your integrity as an investigator. Let's look at some practical examples of how social media is used in private investigation cases. One common application is locating missing persons. When someone disappears, their recent check-ins, tagged photos, and posts by friends or family can provide clues to their whereabouts. Tracking these digital footprints can sometimes reveal their last known location or even intentions that help guide the search. Another scenario is verifying alibis or employment claims. Let's say someone claims they were at work or an event during a certain time. Their LinkedIn profile, event check-ins, or even photos and comments on Facebook can either corroborate or contradict their statement, giving you the necessary evidence to verify or dispute the claim. In divorce or custody cases, social media can reveal behaviors or associations that may be relevant to the case. For example, posts involving inappropriate behavior or interactions with specific individuals might be useful evidence for the court. These examples show just how valuable social media can be across various types of cases. Documentation is critical in social media investigations. Social media posts can disappear, be deleted, or be edited, so it's essential to capture information accurately as you find it. Screenshots of posts, comments, timestamps, and URLs are important elements to include. Make sure each screenshot includes a timestamp and note the platform and profile where you found the information. This documentation not only serves as evidence, but also provides transparency and traceability in your investigative process. For cases involving multiple pieces of social media evidence, organize your findings clearly, perhaps in chronological order, so that the timeline of events is easy to follow. This thorough approach to documentation ensures that if your investigation results need to be used in court, they will hold up under scrutiny and convey a well-structured narrative of your findings. Social media investigation skills require constant learning, as platforms and privacy settings change frequently. Staying informed on these changes, updates, and new tools is crucial to staying effective as a private investigator in the digital world. Practicing these techniques over time will improve your skills and make you more efficient in tracking digital information. If you're ready to dive even deeper, consider enrolling in our PI career course at Private Investigations Academy. This online self-paced course covers everything you need to know about private investigation, including skip tracing, surveillance, digital forensics, and of course, social media investigations. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, this course is designed to prepare you for success in real-world investigations. Thank you for watching. Social media is an invaluable resource for private investigators, and I hope these strategies give you a strong foundation for using it effectively. If you're interested in becoming a well-rounded investigator, make sure to check out our full PI career course. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I look forward to helping you grow your investigation skills. See you in the next video. Master social media and more in private investigations. Enroll today at www.privateinvestigationsacademy.com.